Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with a simple grain bill. Use 5 pounds of base pale malt and 5 pounds of flaked oats to give body and smoothness. Heat strike water and mash at 152 degrees F for 60 minutes to convert starches to sugars and preserve oat creaminess. Sparge with enough water to collect about 5 gallons of wort. You should aim for an original gravity of about 1.050, so the finished oat beer lands near 5% ABV after fermentation. Bring the wort to a vigorous boil and boil for 60 minutes, adding hops for bitterness at 60 minutes and a small aroma addition at 10 minutes. Choose a mild hop like Fuggle or East Kent Golding at about 0.75 ounces total. After the boil, chill quickly and cool wort to 68 degrees F and pitch yeast. An ale strain works best for oat beers. Ferment at 68 degrees F for 7 days to keep ester profile low and preserve the silky mouthfeel from the oats. Once primary fermentation is complete, let the beer condition for 7 more days to allow proteins and haze to settle. This conditioning will help clarity and body, and you can expect roughly 5% ABV from the 1.050 original gravity. For bottling, carbonate to 4 volumes of CO2 by using about 3/4 cup of priming sugar for a 5-gallon batch, dissolved and mixed gently. Package after a total of about 14 days, then cold condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.